Hi, Eric Lanask here. We are at TMC Newsroom on the road. We're in San Jose, California this week, and I'm talking with Tony Gauda. He's the CEO of Bitcasa. Tony, thanks for joining me. Glad to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
So, storage. A lot of people talking about cloud. A lot of people talking about storage. Now we're combining the two. Obviously, it's all about a space issue and storage capacity. But why cloud?
So cloud is actually, I mean, that's the only way that you can actually never run out of space. So you being a consumer, your device itself has a physical capacity that will sometime eventually run out of space. So by taking the cloud and integrating into the device itself, now you're decoupling the capacity of the device from the device itself.
But you're still limited in your capacity, right, by what you're able to either pay for or what your cloud storage provider is able to give you?
Well, not with Bitcasa. So with Bitcasa, we actually give you infinite storage on your device itself. So we have no limits. You can upload as much as you want, and it's all just $10 a month for infinite storage.
How do you make that happen? Infinite storage on a mobile device.
So what Bitcasa does is that we actually integrate into the device itself, and we fool the device into thinking that Bitcasa is the actual storage system itself. So as you're saving things to your phone or to your laptop, we're actually streaming it to and from the cloud in real time, completely behind the scenes. So you as a user, it just looks like you have this infinite storage hard drive that's integrated into your device itself, and it just never runs out of space. It's actually that simple.
I won't tell the device that you're actually fooling it. What happens to when you're offline, when you don't have that access to the cloud environment?
So that's something that our users ask for. So what we did is that we actually cache all the things that you use on a regular basis on the device itself. So you don't need to have network connectivity to access the things that you access on a regular basis. It's actually a net positive, because the things that you access on a regular basis, we say we'll keep them local in the cache, and then we'll stream everything else in real time.
So again, hypothetically speaking, what if you need to access something that you don't access on a regular basis, you haven't accessed in a while, but you're on an airplane or somewhere where you don't have network access?
Go to the folder that you think that you're going to access, right-click, say, keep local, and we'll always keep that data local on the device itself. But remember, since we're using the local the local hard drive as cache, you'll always have at least as much on your hard drive as you had before. So it's always a net positive. You're never going to have something that you didn't have access to before not be available when you're on a plane.
Now, do you sync between different mobile devices for people who have 2 or 3 or 4 different mobile devices?
Absolutely. So if you think about really what Bitcasa is that it's fabric that connects all of your devices together. So it's no longer you have a little bit of storage on your phone, a little bit of storage on your laptop. It's that we integrate the phone and the laptop into this cloud storage system, and when you save, the primary copy is actually saved to the cloud. So there's no synchronization metaphor. It's literally you make the change and it's in the cloud and it's synchronized automatically to all your devices instantly.
What about security?
It's encrypted 100% client side. So we as a company don't have access to any of the data for any reason. Not for maintenance purposes, not even in the event that that some of the acronym police come knocking on our door. We'll give them all the encrypted data they want. We have no access to it.
I get the sense, though, that what this might end up resulting in is people not cleaning out their file systems.
Sure.
You end up with multiple copies of files. You end up with people not cleaning out their old files, files that they no longer need.
So we're actually allowing you to, so that's our goal, to make it so that you as a user can always find what you're looking for. So we're also incorporating a management feature. So we have powerful search within the system. So if you wanted to find a video or a picture or a document, just type in the name and we'll give you the list and you can select it instantly.
How do you price?
$10 a month for infinite storage.
Per user or per device?
Per user. So you can install Bitcasa just on every single device that you own and save it all. That's exactly what I want you to do.
That's fantastic. So now I can tell people that I've got a 3 terabyte drive on my smartphone.
When you actually, on your phone, when you install Bitcasa, it says that you have 2 terabytes of space available. On your desktop, it says that you have, for Macs, it says you have 562 terabytes. But on Windows, it actually says you have 8 exabytes.
It's going to take us all a long time to fill that up.
A little bit.
Tony, thanks for joining us here at the TMC Roadshow.
Thanks for having me.